Wisek presents things you should do every year. 10 essential life maintenance tips. Life is mainly about maintenance, paying bills, grocery shopping, doing laundry. These are the daily routines as we juggle responsibilities and try to have some fun too. The little things that enrich our lives can easily slip our minds. The start of each year often prompts soul-searching and resolution-making beyond those intentions. Consider these 10 annual activities that can significantly enhance your life. Let's explore these 10 things you should do every year. Number 1. Clear the clutter. Your wardrobe, your purse, the contact list on your phone, your email inbox. Everything. Discard what you don't need or what brings back bad memories. Everything in your life should be useful, make you happy, or motivate you. If it doesn't, it's just taking up unnecessary space. Number 2. Rearrange your space. The purpose and placement of things can change the ambience of a room. Personal space carries energy, so alter your bed's orientation. Move your TV, shift your computer desk, relocate your favorite lamp, perceive things differently, ensure the change is for the better. Number 3. Refresh your wardrobe. Updating your wardrobe can be gratifying. It boosts confidence and enhances appearance. Prioritize comforting clothes and shoes that feel like you're walking on a cloud. If you can afford it, spend a bit more on quality clothing. Remember, quality doesn't always mean the most expensive brands. If shopping isn't your forte, take a friend with a good sense of style. Number 4. Streamline your digital life. In today's digital age, our time is often spent on computers, leading to clutter. If your desktop or laptop is filled with icons, it's time for a cleaning. Create folders for organization, update security software, and declutter your social networks. Having 2,000 Facebook friends might look cool, but how many do you actually talk to? Number 5. Reflect. Take time to reflect on what you want more of in life. Be it love, appreciation, or better friendships. Decide how you'll actively contribute to others. Perceiving lack from others often mirrors what we aren't giving enough of ourselves. Karma works magic. The more you give, the more you receive. Number 6. Make a list. List the things you value and ways you'll prioritize them. If your friends' feelings matter more than temporary frustration, prioritize your friend. Decide what matters most and how to resolve issues by caring about something else more. Number 7. Travel. Don't neglect travel for material possessions. Travel expands horizons and creates lasting memories. It doesn't have to be a grand expedition. Even a short trip can change your outlook. You may find incredible places, meet new people, and create amazing memories. Number 8. Plan a real date. Things have changed a lot. Before the internet, people actually went out on dates. Yeah, can you believe it? I'm talking about a time when you didn't just swipe a screen to have someone appear in your bed. Take someone out on a real date. Make a reservation at a restaurant and get tickets to a show. You'll make the person feel special because everybody knows that planning these things takes time, effort, and care. Number 9. Surprise someone. Do something surprising and unbelievably kind for someone who will not expect it. Send flowers to a random friend, give them a gift card, or take someone you love out for a special dinner. Do something that is so generous you couldn't possibly do it regularly. Number 10. Try something new. One of the best ways to improve yourself is to try a new activity. It can be painting, photography, cooking, or whatever. It doesn't really matter, as long as it's something new. Now, while this sounds great, the problem is that most people want to do new things, but they never seem to get around to it. So what can you do? I suggest looking online for classes in your area. Enroll yourself in one of those evening classes where you go once a week for a few hours. It will only cost a couple $100, but you will feel committed, so you will actually go. And who knows? Perhaps you will discover a talent you never knew you had. What do you think? Share your thoughts and comments below. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. If you thought this video was useful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, Hit the subscribe button to see more videos from us.